Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 12.2 area related to circle starting from question number 1. So we have the first question of exercise 12.2. In this question it has been said that find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. Okay, so dear children, in this question we have to ask area of the sector, okay, of the circle, and we have given the radius is 6 centimeter and angle of the sector is 60 degree. Okay, so we have given the angle of sector equal to 60 degree. Okay, this is center of and radius equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so this means we have to given theta equal to 60 degree and radius r equal to 6 centimeter. So dear children, we know the formula of the area of the sector. Okay, we know the formula area of the sector. Area of a sector. Okay, area of sector equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, now substituting the value of theta and r over here. So theta is 60 degree, this is 60 degree upon 360 degree into the value of pi, use 22/7 and radius r is, this is given to us 6 centimeter, means 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Now simplify, so we can cancel 1 0 from numerator and denominator, and 36 reduces by 6. Okay, means 6 times 6 6 are 36, and 1 6 also cancel out. Okay, now remaining we leave 22 into 1 centimeter into 6 centimeter upon 7 centimeter. Okay, so further simplify this expression, we will get 6 to the 32 152/7. Okay, 6 to the 12, this is 6 to the 12, 12 13, 132 upon 7 centimeter square. Okay, 132 by 7 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector whose radius given 6 centimeter and angle of sector is 60 degree. Okay, so this is the required answer of question number first. Now move to the second question. In this question it has been said that find the area quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Okay, so in this question we have given us the circumference of a circle which is equal to 22 centimeter. Okay, circumference circumference of circle is given to us, which is equal to 22 centimeter, and we know the formula of a circumference of a circle, which is equal to 2 pi r. So circumference of circle 2 pi r equal to 22 centimeter. Okay, now simplify. So this is 2, the value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius is, we have to find, equal to 22 centimeter. Now we can cancel out 22 on both the side. Okay, and finally we will get radius r equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, radius r of a circle which is equal to 7 by 2, and also we know the formula area of a quadrant. So area of quadrant equal to area of quadrant of a circle equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay, so now substituting the value of pi and r over here. So this is 1 by 4, pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. So to write 7 by 2 centimeter into 7 by 2 centimeter 2 times. So here we can cancel 1 2 and 22. Okay, from numerator and denominator. So this is 1 1. Okay, and 1 7 and 1 7 from numerator and denominator, and remaining we are left 11 into 7 centimeter square upon 4 into 2. Okay, now multiply 11 into 7, so we will get 77 by 8 centimeter square. Okay, 77 by 8 centimeter square. So this is the required area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is given to us, which is equal to 22 centimeter square. Okay, okay children, further move to the question number 3. In this question it has been said the length of the minute hand of a clock is 40 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, so dear children, basically in this question we have to given the length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Okay, so this is a clock. Okay, 12 6 9 3 1 2 4 5 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so we have to give the length of the minute hand, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, so length of minute hand is equal to, this is 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and then we have to ask area spread by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, the area served by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So this area is served by minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, this area is served. So this is a sector. We can see the figure look like a sector or a circle. Okay. So one thing is clear from the figure. The 40 centimeter. Okay. This is the minute hand of the clock. So we can say 40 centimeter is the radius. Okay. So radius of a circle is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, and also here theta is required. Okay, what angle? Minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, so dear children, we can say if minute hand complete one revolution, okay, then we say in 60 minutes. Okay, in equal minute and complete one revolution. So this means the total time taken by minute and equal to 60 minutes, and this makes one complete angle. Okay, so we can say angle formed by minute and in 60 minutes equal to 360 degree. So therefore angle formed by minute hand in 1 minute equal to 60 degree. Okay, 36 upon 6 means 36 degree upon 60 equal to 6 degree. So therefore angle formed by minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, then to find angle formed by minute hand in 5 minutes equal to 6 into 5 equal to 30 degree. Okay, so the angle formed by minute hand in 5 minutes, which is equal to 30 degree. Then we can find now the area served by minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, so therefore area served by minute hand in 5 minutes equal to, this is equal to area of a sector of angle 30 degree. Okay, so area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi square. Now substituting the value of theta and r. So theta is 30 degree upon 360 into pi is 22/7 and radius is 40 centimeter. So this is 40 centimeter. So we can cancel 0 0 from numerator and denominator, and this is 3 on the 3 3 to the 6. Okay, and we can also cancel 14 from 7 7 2 ja 40, and this is 2 6 ja 12, and 2 3 ja 6 and 11. Okay, now multiply the remaining, which is 11 into 14 centimeter square by 3. Okay, so 11 to 14, which is equal to 154 by 3 centimeter square. Okay, 154 by 3 centimeter square. So this is the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the required answer of question number 3. Okay.